Hey. I laugh in Okigwe. Hey. I laugh in Okigwe. Agam to visit Kechku Patrick. Agam to visit last time on a program Oga Nanya Moto. I understand your concern. Oh, my brother, I understand your concern about me the driving. But I had no option. In fact, there weren't any other alternative. I need to run that program, and I was on the way going to somewhere also. So I just want to use that opportunity. I just wanted to use that opportunity and do one or two. You see, I have been busy of late. My time to occupied with a task which I must fulfill. Yeah, which I must fulfill. So now, to the haters of Ezugo, I want you people to come. Can we discussion one-on-one to the haters of Ezugo? They are we for Ezugo melu. I had to find the only correction anything that is going to weaken me and turn me from being the Ezugo that people know and love. Yeah? Because there is that Ezugo that people who know the quality and the value of what we do. They love us. Even if we make mistake, they correct us and they look beyond that mistake, and their love still remains there. There are people who love us originally, naturally, because they appreciate what we do. Even if we differ in one place or the other, they still understand that we are human beings and we must not always reason alike. One day, what makes us different, what makes us unique from each other, will also come at play. But to those haters who ndade jianya for if all nine even the men are saying, in fact, if I'm at the site of Ibe Van time, I know you people now, and I know my people, and my people know me. Ndi wasali Ezugo na afọ. Orofu even another video, don't know go no hope nkelo. Some of you take even that. You people you have taken it to another level. Unwe ife melu over the name on I like. Also, we will be on a compound for the new monobia. Onye gentleman, sometimes I know my people, and my people know me. We can smell each other from a distance. Oh, in that age, I have ways to go. Some of them even come to my inbox to come and explain to me, oh, there's a happen. Our wife is okay. Our wife is okay. She's bouncing. And it says, Travels. As a Travels, it's both mother, I greet you. I'm home, I see where you go, you go. I got to go. They have taken it to another level. If also go, can you imagine to the point, Of course, I know my people. I know my people. I can even call them by names. Even when I'm sleeping, I know their names. But I'll master to the point that even imagine, okay, let me give an instance. I posted a video, ebe Aqua na encourage people that they should steal, provided na fejirebo wezu here, that they should steal, that it is allowed. Go Zuohi. And this is a Victor as I greet you. Go Zuohi. Neba he na alolo. that you are allowed to steal ebe ahụ ị na-alụ ọlụ ma ga-eji na egbe wee zu. Ịghọtana? I corrected him. Some people bịa na-akpọ m iyi. Ị na-akpọzi m iyi na izu ohi iwe ezigbo ife. I remember mgbe akwa na-alụ hotel ya. Somebody bịara ebe ahụ ndị na-abịa ebukọsị rod o ji alụ ọlụ. Yes. The day ejidere ofu onye ama m ife emere onye ahụ ji egbe wee bịa ohi ya. Mgbe somebody nọ na Facebook wolu afọ akwa na Facebook na-egwu ndị mmadụ wayo, o wee ruo ụbọchị eji polisi wee track ya onye ahụ wee nweta onye ahụ. I know what they did to him. Onye ahụ ji egbe wee zuo ohi ya, o jighị egbe wee zuo ohi ya. Ịghọtago? Yet you are there encouraging people. Isioma Ibe, Jude Agada, I greet you people. You are there encouraging people to steal. Agwamono na the age I know na eketa age where people are institutionalizing alo and Ifojo. Ifojo is beginning to be glorified by people. I'm not saying that all of us are saints. I am not a saint, and I know I have not claimed to be a saint. But what I am saying is, Mari Ifojo, ki Ifojo malo. Mari Ifojo, ki Ifojo, fuko malo. You got to go. Ifojo are supposed to na ya deto yeto anywhere. Mankahi neme manken neme. It is not something to be proud of. So it is not something you should be encouraging people to do. You got to go. It is not something that you should be encouraging people to do. Faribus, I greet you. If ya nana neka zoni keta let me rest today. No kwana home mado deifa. I decided to take a rest today. We continue again tomorrow. You got to go. So as clean as that message mpasa, nde polezu gase po na zo na anase, which I don't care anyway. When more people hate you like that, you will know that that kingdom in a fire, that they are receiving your message. Obulu ni ifen na fire, no that gafa. I don't think that some of them will consider me a factor at all. All because of Nancy Nakonaba. Say teacher ye to acquire Ububata Katakata, no Bodo Manima. They came in and they started Nagomi na a clean message mpasa in that video. That is to show you the extent. Okay, let me take for instance again. I went to this street. The street, Ilo, Garube Wago Taifia, Wobagebe Kosharis. Those men, somebody like Kosharis, their houses are not hidden. Their houses are not hidden. These names has become a bell ringing in everybody's ear. Be beto, be Kosharis, adrodo kabezugo, obe onyenweko yesuwedo. Iland ya na Newi. Any okada ebaro na Newi gwe buje be kletus ibeto, buje ube. Any okada ebaro gwe buje ube luiskata, ubuje ube kata. Any okada ebaro gwe nya buje ube Kosharis. Ubuje ube Kosharis. A very popular Kosharis junction. Everybody knows that when you get to that junction, you are seeing Be Kosharis. Everybody knows that when you get to that place, you are seeing the house of Luiskata. This house is so. I made a video showing people. That video is meant to tell people that, okay, look, different. I'm still coming to that documentary full. It is coming in a short time where people will see the real image of Nnewi and what makes Nnewi Ifowu today. In doing that, you are going to see the locations in Nnewi, the communities in Nnewi where so many people you even see their houses. Their houses are not hidden. ndị afọ n'anya ndị mma ha na-achọ ka mba na nsogbu maybe advice m na mamụha na ife ahụ a bridge of security na mamụha na ife ahụ a bridge of security that I am giving out ife mmadụ anya afọ ndị mma na ha ya like ka mmanụ ọnya ndị mma na mmanụ ọnya na ọya ada atọ ha. Is that love or what do you call that? Ife na-eme na afụ ụfụ, ife na-eme na ekpo, you are not kosheris, you are not nwa got haifia. The second video ahụ ife kpuru ụfọdụ n'ime unu n'ime ya ewu because na mụ gosiri ego ọ bụrụ because of na nje gosibe kosheris. It is because na mụ gosiri ya ilo balube nwa agụ, gosigo mighty edifice nwa agụ lụlụ, gosigo street lights nwa agụ ọta ifia tiri n'ile ha wee je gosigo garage ebe nwa agụ ọta ifia na-ele moto na Nnewi nyawu ife na-ewu ụfọdụ n'ime ụlọ ọ na-achọghị ife dị mma mana ọ na nje gosibe nwa agụ kịta ọ wụrụ na mkpọ ọkọdọ ebe ahụ you will see news to carry about because in all the videos ahụ mere ife capture attention of so many of them is nwa agụ ọta ifia because o nwere ife na-esere go na nwa agụ ịghọtago. So for as many as you ndị kpọrọ ezu gasị, I have a message for you this Sunday. I've not even dropped that message. I will still drop that message. But I want to touch on one-on-one, like their reactions and how they react. By the way, we'll be hitting 40,000 followers in few days' time. And it is something to show that we are growing. Now, I want you to tell me, why do you think I should stop? I want you in this comment section. Can you write down like 20 reasons why you think I should stop being Ezug? Why you think I should stop sending that missile into your camp? Because believe me, I can understand. I can understand the pain most of you now pass it through. I understand. You think I don't understand? I understand in the pain. People wanna pass it through. Na hana kosa. Fufunye na bakwasa ifa hana kosa. I know it will never go well. It will never go well. I'm not expecting you to be happy. So many of them we feel post to. For the name hana jom. Are you a content creator? No. This page will be 40,000 followers. 40,000 organic followers. In fact, I grow these followers from nothing to 40,000. Solid one. A block one can joke. You understand? So in few days time, will be 40,000. So I want you to tell me one good reason why you think Ezugo should stop being Ezugo. Yes, as a travels, eziokwu na atọment ha, eziokwu na ehumiliate ha, eziokwu na atọment that demon nọ n'ime fa. Some of those people were devils incarnate. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha obi ha na-eji nji dịka onye so si ife ọjọọ ka ha na-achọ, so si ife ọjọọ ka fa na-achọ. O nwere video mmadụ ya emewe mecha inenecha vida ifo na video ya nwere atọ. There is nothing ifo mmadụ ọbịa ebe a na-asịgo n'iwu onye nzuzu na ịmaghị ife. Ịghọtago n'iwu onye nzuzu na ịmaghị ife. Ụfọdụ asịgo ya n'ọsọsọ oti mkpu ka ị na-eti. I have to be proud of those people I'm proud of, and I will not be shy. I will not be proud enough like ụfọdụ n'ime ha that I cannot come to Facebook and tell you that these are the people we are proud of. Ịghọtago? I know na Ibe Valentine mmọnwụ ndị ilo enemy masquerade. Ịghọtago? Hapụ ha ebe mgbanyere nke a mgbanyere kamera. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha echekwa na ntị na mụ bịara ịpịa Monday hama. Mana nke akwụkwọ Monday hama n'ụdị nke. I want you people to tell me the reason why Ezugo should stop being Ezugo. And I will tell you what your fear is. I understand your fear. And that your fear will never stop. Guess what? We are just starting. We have not even started. We are just starting. Wait until we have finally started. So, whether you like me or not, if you like Yam. If you like, come to my page. Keep vomiting. And guess what? This week, I am going to do a promo on my page for Ndi Like Yam. Yes, I want to do a promo and the giveaway to Ndi Like Yam. So, if you don't like me, say hi. Only gift for you this week. Only somebody I like, here's Ugo. I want you to say hi, say hello, indicate in my comment section. I have a special gift for you. I gave you people this special gift some time back. A lot ago. I gave it to you people for like a week. Then later, I stopped. So now, that gift for people I like home this week, we're blocking. I want to make use of my block button too much this week. So feel free to show yourself this week, starting after this broadcast. Show yourself and I will give you that gift. I will gladly give you that gift. Something in me, this spirit that speaks to me, Waramsim Ezugo, Hoponata Mobele Afifia from Oka. And say, hello, what are you telling me? Or say, listen to me, son. And say yes. Or say, son. And say yes. Or say, you need to separate Afifia from Oka. And say that voice. But why? Hey, Akupawa. Mewopogo. Mewopogako. This gift is not for you. Ako. Ako, this gift is not for you. Mbambam bibe Valentine. This gift is not for you. And Ako mewopono. Hate yenum. Hate ready unu weleben na. I like rinya. I like him with the hate. Ako hate him. With the hate bibe Valentine hate him. I like it. This gift I brought for people like Ako. This gift will indenture this gift to this week. So feel free to indicate a go. Then I will gladly give this. I have also quite a was page ya meshie page ya bito kwa emisi. I go as boy, you can war your boy can go now. Oh, your boy, now one boy which I accepted with my full chest. I accepted with my full chest without any shaking. Nwebero geketa ma bia na company 0 bitters so na elo 0 bitters na moto ka I wee do sure ọwụrụ nke na-eju ugwu awụsa mma anọ n'ihu moto ensure that na that consignment na delivery at ugwu awụsa ịghọtago if ahụ level I am about the next time. Ịghọtago I want to take that nwa boy ship to another level. Ịghọtago achọrọ m igosi ndị mmadụ what it means when they say that na nwa boy mmadụ and you are a proud nwa boy. Ịghọtago nwa boy ifela ahụ eme na nwa boy or ife nwu. So very soon I will start helping people to load 0 bitters na moto. Escort o 0 bitter and nke na-aga ugwu nke na-aga fa ka mma like ide eso onwe nke na-aga Kotonu sigba mma magoro n'elu kanta ya ebuye wee je Kotonu narị eme video n'elu na agba ndị mmadụ na ijeri deliver 0 bitters na Kotonu onye ọ na-ewu iwe nya wewuo ga-ewewuo ya pịa metale no isi ke chukwu Patrick etu aka anyị si asafu ya na ewere receive you wanna go hello nwanne m hey ntu Mbanonation ngosi no go message na akwụkwọ ma gwago pushku na nso ya gata ata ke time odo. Okay, no wahala, no wahala. So what the hell, dude? Okay, brother. You see? So, all on it while I ask, eh? Nke mbube ma angacha na nyan na nke mbube ma angacha na nyan na watching out for what is going to happen. Obolo na no Nnewi ma na actually test zero bitters here. Stay tuned this Afiolu Nnewi. Afiolu Nnewi will be all about zero bitters. We will color the whole street of Nnewi with zero bitters na Afiolu Nnewi. What I go? So obolo na no Nnewi na Ishi. No Ukpobeje Park ha no anywhere around Nnewi. Go Afiolu Nnewi ayi eji zero bitters we color ebe niile ka ndị mmadụ kweta na ọ na-eme ka ndị mmadụ kweta na ọ na-eme ọ bụrụ na ịkpọla ya asị kpọsi ya asị ike mana one day you will like us, one day you will sit down and go through all the messages anyị na-agwa gị, you will understand that Nine make a very big mistake. What I go? You will understand that now you have been making a very big mistake for a long time. I'm not even bothered. for so many of you now on my page, I be agree. I don't care. But the only giveaway, inshallah, very soon this week. Only some of you that needs to leave this page so that others yabashi. You want to go? Only some of you that needs to leave this space. Only because you people have overstayed your welcome. But we'll still leave some critics because they are very necessary. You want to go? In fact, the name a program now for comment here. Sometimes it gives me joy because ne pepe ha. Na-eme ha obi mgbawa ọ na-atọ m ụtọ dịte na na-atọ m ịma na ị na-eme onye ahụ ọ na-afụ ya ọ na-agụ iyi o nwere ụdị iyi mmadụ ya agụ uhie you can feel the pain onye ahụ feel wee gọ iyi ya so ịfụ na na-amụ amụ ahụ o pain na-efeel onye ahụ ife na-atọ m ụdị amụ ahụ na-atọ m ewo Hey, Jesus melu mmadụ ebele. Jesus melu mmadụ ebele. Ebe ife nga ọkpala na-epepe ha. Na ife nga ọkpala na-epepe ha, ọ na-afụ ha. Ọ na-afụ ha. Nke kpọrọ onwe ya onye amụma arinji bịara ịnyaghasị ọnụ n'ụtụtụ akọ yesterday. Ife a na-eme ebe a, why can't they use it to build factory? Echiri aka na kota. Echiri aka na kota factory. Ọhụ nwoke ibe ujelu n'ime nga ọkpala ebe ọkpa ha aga je turn oye into a mega city in waiting. Ọ bụrụ nwoke ibe it's not your fellow man. Echi aka na kota. I'm asking you. Ino na like this decree onwe unu nwere ozi anything ya pass da n'ụwa. You have already declared yourself na able anything by always expecting something from your fellow man. You always want your fellow man to do something you cannot do. Yes. Otherwise, when they keep saying build factory, you will ask yourself, Mbaku Jelo factory zero bitters. Now the second one, no almost 90% completion. Did he take permission from anybody? Ongolonya could take a permission from before we jelo that factory of zero bitters. So when you hear them, they keep saying go and build factory. You will ask yourself, Echiri haka na kuta. Does it mean no way if you have passed it? Does it mean no way if you have passed it? That is the question I keep asking myself. Because if truly na this thing it is something you can do on your own, why can't you go and do it? Why can't you go and do it? Why are you always expecting another man to do something which you know that you have failed to do that? Does it mean that you have first of all understand the fact that no more anything I want? There is nothing you are. He saw a site that is developing every minute. He saw money going down, sinking down. Eh? And I say, I wish if I had a member, no factory, canal, no, eh? Ile hana waka braid rezo. Eh? Ile hana waka rezo blade. Eh? Manaka ha eke la aka eke. He nwere one kobo to build anything. They can't even build anything. They can't even build a block industry. Eba yeji manwa wela akpu block. They can't. Eh? They can't. Eh? If yenana, that advice, we don't need it. Don't worry. Don't worry. What we are drinking, we know what we are drinking. Yes. What we are drinking is 0 bitters. Eh? 0 bitters. From the table of Akazion. Every measurement of ifo in a good accurate. NAFDAC tested and confirmed. Don't worry. I am a testimony of somebody na that 0 bitters. I know what it means. Yes. I go and drink that maya. Unwe body pains when my waist or anywhere due to stress or if I watch a hamanya tetano toto, I don't come waffle. So don't worry, we find our drink. This one is our own. Tested and trusted. Or carry it to her. So when some kind of advice I need at this particular time, we don't need those advice because we already know. And then I advise about going to build factory. We have started. We started building these things a long time ago. It is you who is lacking behind. It is you who is lacking behind. Yes, you are the person who is lacking behind. Sir Louis Ongbenu, Louis Kata, Ololo, St. Louis Church, Nyende Catholic in Uruguay. Do you want me to take you to Chikasen factory? Not Chikasen, but Louis Kata. Do you want me to take you to Louis Kata industry? Yeah? Do you want me to take you there? Do you want me to take you to even his factory? I can take you there. So these are the people who has done times 10 of what you are expecting them to do. Go and do one and show us the result. Stop advising people you should be learning from. I keep saying this all the time. You people keep advising those guys, those people you should be learning from. Cletus Ibeto St. Cletus. Even before May Foundation St. Cletus. Nyangwe Ibeto Petrochemical Industry. Ewotago, onwe tank farm na Lagos. Nyangwe Ibeto Cement. Nyangwe Other Holdings. Nyangwe Ibeto Microfinance Bank. Nyangwe Choice FM. In fact, company Ibeto na stock exchange n'obodo oyiwo. So I want you to tell me what you have done compared to him that you need to advise him. Never hold St. Cletus no keje well factory. Do you know this man has graduated to the level where all they do now is community service? Community service is what they do. Scattered in Nnewi are his benevolent projects, scattered everywhere. Go to teaching hospital in Nnewi, go to teaching hospital here, go to Obiuruagu, go to Ebenato, go to NM Hall, go Bagadi Benine. These guys na losing project na dedicate. Wori ene nyende mwado. We will their own community service hanalo. Those are the people you are advising to go and do what? Is it Senator Patrick Ifanyoba? Even before he started building that cathedral. Capital Oil and Gas, a brain company nyanga sinabrain ewe was dispensing more than 35% of petroleum product and using in Nigeria. He is the owner of First Independence Oil and Gas, in case most of you don't know. He is the owner of Oil Force, Nigeria Limited, in case most of you don't know. He is the owner of Authority Newspaper, in case you people don't know. He is the owner of Authority Radio and Authority TV in Wetting. He is the proprietor of Ifanyoba FC with the international stadium, a stadium of international standard. He is the owner. And let me shock you. If you go to Ifanyoba Tank Farm na Lagos, you will see a replica of Denka service there. Most of you don't know that into shipment. Most of you don't know that into shipment. When shipyard na China. You want to go for somebody who has more than 30 ships on the sea selling to Nigeria and off. Those are not the people you can be advising to go and build company, my brothers. Well, you don't need to be advising such people to go and build factory. Go and build factory and show us. Do you want me to keep mentioning their names? Is it Evangelist Ebukobi? Do you know Ego ne Ebukobi ne bubu every month aside? Ebukobi, even before he moved to Ngobala, is paying over 4,000 to 5,000 people salary every month. Are you not aware? Even those who are not working, who are not doing anything in Zion, I mean old people, old men, widows, widowers, they are drawing their salary from Zion ministry. Are these the people you want to be advising? Have you gone to fish farm, Pastor Jeremiah, Prophet Jeremiah? Have you gone to that fish farm? The fish farm is so massive that for you to successfully cruise around that fish farm, there are some part of it, Iwaji, flying boat, Wega. That is how big, God. Do you know the number of workers in Alwe Bar? So when he tells you that he's a billionaire, know that he's a billionaire. It is not by mouth. Men, these are not the men you can go and start advising. These are not the men you can go and start advising. Seraphic water, all around Amwo Dofe, where go so many places. Even a Yoruba lady, Banamsem, Namana Machoho, ka without any waterborne disease that I should be drinking. I should be drinking only seraphic water. Oh, you Yoruba Guaranya. One you Yoruba Guaranya na keke, can actually drop on a keke, na Grandmid bus stop. Yes. Oh, one you Yoruba Guaranya. No one na macho ibute orio wona sina miliaga that I should be drinking seraphic water only. You got to go seraphic water. Guess what? Oh, one night we Evangelist Ebukobi. Seraphic Hospital is one of the solid hospital in the island. You can go and verify. You will know. Hospital. Iji will compare that hospital na Lagos. Kelafaya. Stephen and Lokere ka Kongu go now. Nkuli kamakuli anama nkuli kamako. Eba ya no we mana. If you go on Facebook or on the ground, you got to go. Give date and time with a venue. I will be there before you come. You got to go. Give date, give time, and the venue. I will be there even before you come. Hospital. We compare Seraphic Hospital. Hospital. We compare Seraphic Hospital. Wo St. Nicholas Hospital. We qualified doctors, qualified nurses of our people from Igbo. You want to go? Who are working there? These guys has been most of you don't know that now. No way football club. Evangelist Ebukobi well. On a most of you are my Evangelist Ebukobi with football club only. And they are also drawing salary for Zion ministry. Do you know the number of people Zion now who go every month? So when you talk about is it Father Mbaka Kineku? Is it Father Mbaka Kineku? Do you know Sheki Mbaka Nerizi every month na get to salary? Both then aluolo and then that aluolo. You are advising people Gagolu far beyond where you are even. Before you even thought of conceiving that idea, those people has gone far. Are they the people you want to come and advise? You are advising Ebukobi, who is dropping a footprint. Do you know what it takes for a single man to want to develop a city of its own? Do you think it's a shy spray? Do you think it's a challenge anybody can come and claim? For Chike Emenike to build a church in his community, Jane and Tommy noodles, ilu ebe a if ife na-eme. Jane and Tommy noodles, ilu ebe a if ife na-eme. Jane and Kotek, maybe roof ties ha, ma Kotek motorcycle, another lu ebe a ilu if ife na-eme. These guys has raised people, these guys have inspired people. When they want to now thank the God and their maker, they will build a house of God. Why you jello factory? Oh, let go ya. Oh, Jemmy, oh, let jello factory. Chuago de go kitchen take jello factory. Mbecho taru diego. I won't even do very much to go to that advice in the well. Why can't you use that wisdom in well? When you should take use way better. Go now for learn all from experience. You know that go. I want you to grow yourself to that point where you can tell people to give offering and tithe, they will give. Okay, if you I want you to call 5 people. Why are you 5,000 each? I want to see how you can successfully convince those people to give you 5,000. One day, if you have it, you have it. If you have it, you have it. Now I'm MC. A lot of people MC kahajeli. Keriva hajeli. Obia MC kuoku no you will egonye. Yes, obia an event. Okuoku no you will egonye otiego na na general reform. So who says there are not people who have that grace, that they have inspired people, that people can come and give offering and tithe? You don't even need to go to that side. Don't go to that side. The gift of a man, make it a way for him. If an well intellectual property, it can lead you to anywhere. Coupled with a gift from God. It can be a gift of prophecy. It can be a gift of prosperity or whatever thing. One way, it is your intellectual property. It can open ways for you. Don't look at those men and look at them that they without offering. No, don't look at them like that. What they have, you don't have. You cannot even claim to have. It's Jena family, Jena your own immediate family, one day mother, every Sunday. Now I had that 1,000. If you think you have it, go to your immediate family in the Mologo, every Sunday. You think it's easy? You think it's easy for somebody to grow a population? Look, let me tell you, people. Let me tell you the shocking something you don't know. 10,000 tickets, over 10,000 tickets. We book from America only. About 10,000 tickets. Can you beat that? People who are coming to East, Southeast. River State Airport. Over airport. Or no airport to Abia State. Yeah, no way. Oh yeah, with the first place I the test of power. You think it's easy? You think it's easy for Alibaba to organize a show, Alibaba show, and people will pay to come and sit down and listen to comedians talk? That is a gift. That is a gift for Alibaba to organize a show, and people will pay to come and sit down in that same show, listen to people crack jokes, and even spray money to people cracking jokes. It takes a level of confidence in somebody for people to do that. So if you think what Ebukobi and the rest of them are doing, now offering go and create your own avenue of people giving you offering. Yes. Go and create your own avenue of people giving you offering. I want to see people seeing you trustworthy to give you that offering every Sunday. Or to pay tithe na pocket every Sunday. So there are so many reasons why those men are not in your league. There are so many reasons why those men are not in your class. There are so many reasons why you should respect those men. Yes. Yeah? You have heard this several times. Yes. Even at your young age. From that young age till now, people are still giving offering and tithe. Can't you see that that message you have been hearing can never grow old in the ears of people? Can't you see? Yeah? Can't you see that that message can never grow old in the air since you were young, even before among our parents? People have been hearing that message. Even long time ago, before Amwai, the mother and that same message. Even right now, I go into an adult. People are, that in fact, that message is new to our ears every morning. There's nothing you can do about it. You have to accept it. Yeah? Why a poor man we always like to be telling the rich man how to spend their money? Yeah? Yeah? I don't know why a poor man should be telling a rich man how to spend their money. The little one in Welu is spend the gay judiciously yourself. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu 2,000 naira bata ha akpa ijebula ashawo 2,000 naira or igolu 5,000 bata ha akpa igbawa n'unu ashawo 500 naira bata ha na akpa ichowa igbo ihe ese chowa mkpụrụ mmiri ya agba chowa kolosi ya aṅụ. But you are always in a haste to advise a rich man or a wealthy man how to spend their money. I am asking you, 1 naira bata ha akpa chowa party yeme, chowa birthday party yeme, chowa holiday yeje, chowa bi yeje ego. Mana ifuzi onye sugolo ege buo to the point where he can choose to spend his money anywhere. You will prefer to advise him. Are you advising him as who? I want to know. You are advising him as who? As a financial expert. Yeah? As a financial expert, I want you to tell me that advice in a nyonya or as what? Yeah? Why are you advising somebody to do what you know you cannot do? You cannot do it. Yeah? You cannot do it. Factory ya ajugoma ajuju ugboro nese onwere onye na-eme oje yellow factory ana adoi block ana bopụta onwe achọ nke unu zanya onwere onye na-eme oje yellow factory ina adoi block ihe ejilo factory na mo wi na eni pillars ihe eji we erect that factory ona bopụta onwe because no ngo na alu onwere nde edevelu special no hayari alu factory ya onwelu keri ife factory ya na ndị niile rụ factory na Igbo, ndị niile rụ factory na Lagos, ha nọ family meeting with people before ha rụ factory ya. Ajụgo m ajụjụ ugboro one onwe onye kwa azanya. Ọ wụrụ na ịkpọrọ anyị asị. Anyị adafụgo. In fact, to even show you that na ma adafụgo, if you do anyhow this week, akwụpụ ngụ n'ọkụ. This is another week. Ịma na ana m announce ya before me emewe ya. So, ọ wụrụ na ịkpọrọ anyị asị fụ anyị n'anya because ịkpọrọ anyị asị but anyị gba ha kamera ịla ndị a ọ kalụrụ mma na imechiri ọnụ kwanyere onwe ugwu nọrọ na background na-ege ntị ife a na-ekwu ọ na-afụghụ na-eweghe nọrụ na-ete ihe ya na afụghụ ọ mmadụ merighu ya na afụghụ na-eweghu ihu na-achara ede ebe ọ na-ekpoghu ịghọtago ya na-ekpoghu but this week if you do anyway. This week, it was a message that came to me. It said, son. I said, wow. Son. I said, son. It is that week again. It is that week again. Ebe ya kwushigo onye ọwụ na ụgwọ dịka ọrụ ha si wee dị. Nsi give me direction. Ogosim block button ozugbo. Nsi over and out. You want to go? So this week, I'm going to do a giveaway for those people who did not just hate Ezugo, but hate the truth. Eh? As they pay you people, you go to sweet us. Waiting concern me. Ya pia me. Iga economy here. Iga economy here. Ya economy here. Iga economy here. Ya economy fair. Eh? Since ụfọdụ n'ime unu decide na anyị enwe sense. Eh? Since ụfọdụ n'ime unu decide na common sense ya do very far away from you. It is my duty ekobatago with na that your sense. Mana iju na ihe enwe sense. Then also ka ihe eji wee pụ na page ya. So this week we are going to repeat that same exercise we did a long time ago. You got to go. And a your friend. On a way you were. Or for the name of self, if any need Jaluki, your offering. And you get Goffrey, and yet you will hear Jelly Apple, or for no boemisi with your faguse. Only in a bed in your bottle and offering. In your offering, if any need Jaluka, one in a joke. In your offering. And you go, you will hear Jelly. In your offering can not do. In your offering. Unu hate shall mother. Hate ye mezuku say webia. Eh? Unu pochal mother as pom mezuku say webia. Eh? Ezuku kana agwagi na ewiwe. Ana agwagi ezuku na ewiwe. Esho kan to walaga ase ki we from nanya. Eh? Nya na ewu unu. Yeti mi ife nya na ewu unu. Nya na ewu nya na ewu I don't care. Achọrọ m ịma ịchọrọ ịma ije na nke ịma. This week even jiwe na ama ọkwa nde mmesepụ n'ọkụ this week wụ violence anyị bụ abịa this week wụ pro max because this week is very significant na ala Igbo. This week this week ebunu ya fụ ndị kpụ atụrụ na ala Igbo. Ịghọtara? So this week upload for any avenue, anything peace. Upload an option this week. Yes, so when say Kamapo Oya Wolo, they show him part of what is happening this week. Kindly notify me. Noko. Then after this week, Noko next week. So kindly indicate so that you can be served with if you deserve that this giveaway abia this week. Mana uru kwa ka esi na Ezugo na nda kporo ga ona ewute ewute m na eyeba mbego ode ewute m odrodu nke ife support one ife ojo so si ife ojo ko fodu mokuru bia bai sign so fuchukwu mgbe ife nda na eme on individual so fuchukwu because some of them they are thinking they throw me off. Imagine na akwụkwọ kọpụta na Facebook advice ya ndị mmadụ Jesu bori. Ọ bụrụ na ị nọ here share this video metụrụ maka na like and love button. Ka mmagodo ndị share go video. Some mmadụ for share go this video. 4 luxurious bus full of Zion workers arrived yesterday. All Ishi about this video, share this video. Some of them for go share go video out some mother for, which is not good. What's this thing you wear like this? Only share about this video. Make sure only share this video now. I command you to share this video now. It's a command. I command you to share this video now. This week, ya pepe them gang. This week, ya do very. This week, ya debu. Ụfọdụ n'ime ndị haters nwere ike ha ya survive pass ya this week na this page. ụfọdụ n'ime ha nwere ike ha ya kọmentizi ya echekwa na ha hazi efere ya ma na BP tekiri ha down ịghọtago ọ na obi mgbu egbuo n'ụfọdụ n'ime ha Chioma Soniteke hapụnụnụ ndị ahụ na-agụ samọn ha kụziri akwụkwọ amamụ bụ onye ha ya aghọta na ha na-agbasa mmiri n'elu okwute ịghọtago ha na-agbasa mmiri n'elu okwute ịghọtago ha ji ọsụkụrụ mmiri na-agbasa n'elu okwute ịchọkwa bido taa dee long note degidoye dejuoye peji ya mee copy and paste niile gụrụ ezigbo medụrụ oji nwee get anywhere copy and paste niile gụrụ ezigbo mee na peji ya oji nwee dị wee head anywhere wee wụrụ kịta afụbodo m ndị kwụ ọtọ ọwụ ndị dị na-edine kwadowenu this week ya do very terrible. You can feel free to alert me ka m kwụpụ n'ọkụ na ọ bụrụ na ifiru na this week ya dụrụ too hot na page ya ịghọtago unu ga-amalụrịrị ife by force daalụ nọ the sharing na-agbagota ịghọtago ọ na ha agbagota agbafere n'ọzọ ụfọdụ n'ime ha mwepụghị dị fọjọọ mee na Facebook a ha sọpọtụbụ mwepụghị dị fọjọọ mee na Facebook a ha sọpọtụbụ mmepelu my inbox you will shed tears mmepelu my inbox you will shed tears. Why will I even care? I don't care. I don't fucking care. I don't bloody care. So that you understand. I'm not even seeing your face. I'm not even seeing your face. I'm not even planning to start seeing your face. I'm not even planning to start caring anytime soon. That is how hardened I am. You got to go? That is how hardened I am. No matter how much gosi we disguise that hatred in welu. Obulezu go achoro me ma. Nchokwa na ime jebe na nke ma. Ai chere ma mo be ma. Ama mbe ma nna na. Nche jebe na nke ma nna nluo na nke ma nna maram. O ncho ejebe na nke Emmanuel na abụ ndị nna m ochie. Yotago. Enwe m Emmanuel na abụ ndị nna m ochie. Ejebe na nke Emmanuel. Nluo na nke Emmanuel. Amarum no. Mana achọrọ m ịma. Achọrọ m ịma. Ịchọ bịa hia gogidi. Ịchọ mgbagodo na your father ye be 100 years. Ịchọ gọwa m iyi. Ịchọ ngwa na your father ye be 130 years. Ịchọ gọwa m iyi. Achọrọ m ịma. Oluo na afụ no. Eje ngozi be Kosharis ya ha complain. In fact, those houses o nwere ugwu na-adụ na isi mmadụ that this is the route where Kosharis comes from. O nwere ụdị I don't know how to say it. Some of you do very because niile zogari bege zogari. Do you think that everybody out there want to hide their house? All over Facebook, be imoni ha, be vintage interior ha, be on ife na ife ha. Boba ha, be hanchanine do na Facebook for people to see. Be hanchanine, bo bi kubana na Oba, bo bi kubana na Lagos, be fanyo Oba na Newi, be chikasem, be chikasem, be nosen. No na internet, uno nine do ni me ba no na Facebook. Just the other day, this creative lord also got on a bed this man umwe kelafa this transportation company. The man will take care on a tour to his house. Uno great man on a Facebook for you to see. Mana because you go post to here, you have a problem with it. Security man, chief security advisor, to Kelafa Kosharis Madoka, Cosmas Madoka. Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Naval Staff, Inspector General of Police, security experts, Hamma capital from all angle. If you are in your advice, advice ya yebu. Advice ya he be in your womb yebu. Because in him address ebe mother ya biafo. You go no for don akwu, ke we bia video be ha. You go no for don akwu, ke we bia video be ha. Nwa go ta if you complain lu na nje gosibe. Is it not enough reason na nwa go nwelu address and a powerful address? If any na atasese ya anya na mu gosi street light ololo or kodan gosi gilo ko shai sirolo. Or somebody wo onye commentary na video mmelumbo. Na video mmelumbo semo na nna egosi ife ibe tololo. Mu je gosi ha otu mkpuri ife ko shai sirolo. Nje gosi accessory du balube. Ba no nya no lila. O ku for the iwe. Why ye je gosi be cause shadisi or okulugu as a lawyer. Okulu as a lawyer. Do you think that you are cautious that his house can be hidden? Anywhere kada bu bata newia okunho kada ya gwa na newia buje be cautious umi sieli uzo we kwusi uni hube in actual security threat, security this, security that, but he built his house no nilo man and them mother na agbofe ni whoever every day. The day okwanu nwunye his house was open for people to come. There was video taken everywhere. So many big men no na Newia and Anambra State, even na southeastern. Even these many obas, many palaces, many indo organande okogono do krafa this man onye Yoruba lulu this man no nwelu or Gilbatra kogono Gilbatra be do na Facebook be na Lagos address if any do na Facebook ebiale advice ezugo ejo onwo even advice nde kporo masi eme o yotana onwe ifenji because onye akporo masi fure ka mmesi we so yo na naked wire oya akwa yin ka nje so ye. So now kirifu jenyezim that advice, that should be your concern. He wants to discredit the video you made. Well, you want to discredit the video you made. Go and watch that video. Because everybody wants to see where Koscielny Maduka comes from. Everybody wants to see that house. They are not seeing that house as just that house. They want to see Ebube that uno that neba ka Koscielny Maduka na ala. Then many people want to see also where Nwago Taifia comes from. They want to see the home of Nwago. It is not all about that block wall. It is all about Afa Apollo na that house. Iwotana iwe wegu makana mugosi be Nwago makana elike hoye egosi homu okuko ngosi uno malumma elike he. You don't like it because ifoma na sogonso. Ifoma na sogonso. Agency video no obi ruago. Sebe Prince Sonny Obi. Ofodo ni me ha blue pokwa advice ha. Bia why ye genius uno mmado blah 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 blah. What if I told you that after that video I sat with his daughter one-on-one and that we soon interview her inside that house? I will even show you the grave side of this great man. Yes, I sat with the daughter one-on-one and we had a discussion. In fact, I am going to show you a video of that house, both inside and outside, even his graveyard. Stop advising me. Stop advising me. I have people who are very intelligent, who knows better, who I consult before I do anything. Stop advising me. Most of you, na advice na amaka. A lot of your members will not be getting into trouble because of recklessness. You should be advising them better. Stop advising me. I don't need your advice. When I took a picture of the out view of Ube Igwe Sumudu, one of Uke, that video gathered till today over 600,000 views. Over 2,000 people shared that video. They are not sharing that video because I showed them a house. They are sharing that video because a lot of people follow the route of this great man, Igwe Sumudo, one na uke. Yes, that is why they shared that video. You see, Banco Adidas. That is why people are sharing that video. They are not seeing that house as just a structure that it is. They are seeing the image of the man now that house. What are documentaries for? What I go? Can you find documentary? Today, people na ganu no one for reason. Jeba wa video for so many things about one for reason. They are not just going there to look at empty house. They are going there because of the name Aporon at that house, which is Nwafu Orizu, the first Senate president. What I go? The other day, somebody got na be Rojeni tourist village oba. Lueba Rojeni took him on a tour. Na compound there. It is only you. Na think the security threat. Blah 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 blah. Advisor. Ono biare advice onye kono we mal. Ono biare advice onye kono we mal. Ufodu na eme house opening ceremony. They will go and pay for people to come and even cover their houses. Do you know how many houses of people on Facebook today? You want to come and advise me out of hate? Video in a as of today, and we go close to 14,000 views. Why can't you watch it for the reason matter? Ejue that video. I'm asking you, why I watch that video for the reason matter? Ejue that video. Yeah, wash here because they like Hezugo. Who even care? I'm telling you in your face now. I am telling you in your face. I am telling you in your face. I don't care whether you like me or not. Man, if I gay. If he see baka this week you are very hot. And with so many things that will come to this page this week that may likely break your heart. And with so many realities you may not like to see. You are not wishing to see that. Because of this week, some of you will see the vision of Evangelist Ebukobi. You will see it clearly. I'm happy that a lot of people are putting the videos of what is happening in Nungopala, even those who are not even Zionite. The videos has gone more viral. People are making go more video about that site in Nungopala. Now, this week will be a consolidation. This week and next week. This week and will be a consolidation of that particular project. What I go? So when you learn Marco Siado, all name and ya survive when na Facebook this week. Pugodo na Facebook this week and come back next week. Because this week you will update upon update. Update upon update. Isiagu. For your love, don't worry. As for your hatred, we don't care. I actually hear my mono for the doka. I am actually hear my hatred. Nino no back of Zion. No, o take it back. And we below yourself on our fully another bitters nafia wolako. Mo na for another manya. Mo na for another product nafia wolako. Mo na for hotel aye mepe or hotel lako. You got to go. So it only belong to Haters Association. Noleba no siike. Noleba kisina wal. Kota ne rinse zane leg. Advisors Club. Group of advisors. Group of advisors. Update upon update. Chelechuku Godwin. Or if you hire for na Facebook this week. Update upon this week and next week. People for the reality of that project we have been talking about a long time. Many of us saw what is happening today. I hear that fear as a shock because we know the adverse effect of that development. You got to go. You got to go. If here, you are writing it for yourself alone to be reading. People like us, we don't care about all this write-up in a day here. A lot of people a day, not times 100 of if in a day. We are not even deterred. We are dedicated to what we are doing. We have gone beyond all this long essay. You are not writing it for me to read, for instance. I cannot read it. I am telling you, take that sermon to somewhere else. We have moved beyond this sermon. You have failed to understand that the movement we are on right now is unstoppable. It has changed from that Christianity into a movement, and it is unstoppable. It is gradually moving to the permanent side. Some has even battered in their permanent side, changing their permanent side to another permanent side. It will keep moving. I told you people that in 1985, Bishop Benson Idahosa hosted a crusade in National Stadium, Lagos. That crusade, that stadium was filled to capacity. 35 to 40 years later, 30,000, 40,000 capacity stadium is being filled up still. Namely crusade. To the point that a pastor is building close to 150,000 seating capacity auditorium. That movement is unstoppable. Yes, that movement is unstoppable. So ono cho bebe na akwa anya mmiri na apụ n'anya, ọbala na apụ n'anya, na asa n'ọnụ, na abụsisi ife niile. Jee na ancient Greek, jee bonite history. Kuziela anyị etu esi wee mu Pharaoh. Gwa anyị na Jesus Christ no anyị achọghị mma. Etu ọsọkwa ugwu si wee twist ọsọkwa ugwu anyị na book wunyawo na Bible wunyawo demon book. Gwa anyị na Bible wunyawo akwụkwọ ekwensu ji amaki attendance. We don't care. You will still be entertaining people who have the same belief with you. They will still leave you behind very soon. They will still leave you behind very soon. Eziokwu ha ekpuchi ya aka. Ịghọtago? Eziokwu ade ekpuchi ya aka. Ide long sermon na-ekwu na-ede. Fụbọm ndị dere long sermon. Ụfọdụ n'ime self define boho where your people are moving. Why can't you wash? You keep advising people. How can you even possibly be advising people who are far more better than you? People who know more than you? You are advising them. Advisors Club. Men are building legacy. You are there teaching. Men are building legacy. In all men are now build the legacy that the world will remember them for. For some of them that always make reference to Fadede, can you beat half of the legacy Fadede make it in this life? You cannot. Fadede, as far as Nigeria do today, when more than 15 to 20,000 people on his payroll on Akwụkwọ, you think government, even this government, are not appreciating him for that? These are the men in Enanya. Fadede, even a reverend father in a Catholic church. You see, Sheleshuku Godwin, you understand what I'm saying? Fadede, employment to create in Obuda. Let's say that na Fadede Nwelu, more than 10,000 people know under his payroll on Akwụkwọ, they are eating and feeding because now that man will call into the ministry. Yes, those are the people. Meha Guleziba. What of Fadede? Where is Fadede today? You keep mentioning men who are not even in the same league and capacity for you with you. TB Joshua gave TB Joshua an award of is it a member order of Niger also? Why? Because of the foreign exchange that man Enyeri award as one of the people who made Nigeria who a tourist site. So many foreign people na abata n'obodo every weekend because of TB Joshua. Ebuka Obi has taken over that mantle. Ebuka Obi has taken over. Let me see before the end of this year or next year. Let me see how federal government will not call Ebuka Obi and give him a recognition that is well deserved. Every weekend they play another man a blue dollar but over that they change it because my had a synagogue. You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke? Eh? Eh? You think it's a joke? You want to see Ezego legacy? Eh? You want to see Ezego legacy? Eh? Gani hiala, iluoni hiala, noluni hiala baha, baha na Ezego wonyala. You will know Ezego legacy. If ye nana ina asafa nde Ghana, mano onye Igbo ka ewu. You are not even proud of your root ABC. Ina asafa nde Ghana, if ye nana, afa ndi Igbo ka ewu. You are not even proud of that name where you come from. You are not even proud of that heritage ABC where that is the first place to start being original. Yeah? Go to Ihiala. Ilu Nezego Junction, Mauniluo, Nafi Ihiala, Nole Baha, Nezego Wonyala. You will know the legacy of Ezego. In that same way, come to Newi, especially in this time, I know, come to Newi. Jena 4 or 5 locations na Newi. Baha na Ifanyo Ba. Wonyala ko. You will know the legacy of Ifanyo Ba na Newi. You understand me? Onwere ebe atọrọ mmadụ nwanne nya na abane. Ife na ada ebe ahụ niile ewu. Hey, Ifanyo Ba, onwe Ifanyo Ba eme mmadụ alụ, onwe Ifanyo Ba eme mmadụ alụ. Ụbọchị a astorm ndị police no side Ọmata, side Chicago. Gba pieces. Eh? That is the same name known at the lips of everybody. You then sit there and ask about the legacy of such men. Jenny Hiala, Iloni Hiala, Kulune Zego Junction. Mo na center. Ihiala Junction Ihiala Center. Egwahan Zego Wonyala. You will know his legacy. Iyaman Zego more than how many years ago, but his legacy still lives. Go there. Oh God, na amagondo na ha. Eh? Na amagondo na ha. Eh? I'm telling you. Akwa sango nka adok ansan nyew na nka adok obala ofuma. E ma no ife onye amaho kadele ya. Ife onye amaho kadele ya. Eh? This week ya do remarkable. E ma no obala yesi ike. Man, it was strong enough. Don't show your face na Facebook this week and next week because I do too hot. The pressure I do too much. I'm telling you for free. Eh? I do too hot. You know, some of you do good. Eh? I do too hot this week. On a bid, I think na 28, 29, 30th. Bosiaka BP ụfọdụ ya jump over. Maka ebedebe ya egbukwa na nga ọkpala. Ya, ebedebe ebuno ya afụ ndekwa atụrụ. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha enwe BP. That is why you will commend some of them who has started changing their mouth. Because ụfọdụ n'ime ha ebido na fọwa signs of what is likely to happen. Some of them may be done for signs of what is likely to happen. It is going to be like a tsunami in the east. Is it 23? Valentine. Not from 28. Okay, from 23. 23, who is it today? Is 18. 19, 20. Okay, 5 days time from today. Koye bido. Sorry. 5 days from today. Koye bido. Go. ọkpọtụwa this week ya ada egwu ịghọtago this week ndị ekweghị oyi ekwe ada ayọghị ayọ onye nwekwanụ time ịyọghị ayọ experience and life will teach you more better. Experience and life will teach you more better this week. Ebukeze, Ebukeze, my brother, I greet you. Keki imelo ama na strong today. Ogbanje ya gbananga okpala life. Ogbanje ya gbananga okpala. The first test will be conducted in Ngopala this week. The first test, Obuni is Yalolo this week. Kaya to an Ngopala. Mama 3 girls, stay tuned this week. You will know why. Mana ya de one way. Only if you men Ngopala this week and next week in Mecha. Or no, he feel likely. We share for Ndi Igbo. You can feel free to tell us. You got to go? Okay, because I want to measure this life. Mama 3 girls. If I men go up this week, measure. I want to like her, but Zim ne like her. Or if I shall walk a buy mepe, or if I shall walk a buy doma, or if I shall walk and the buy with all. Don't worry. All on and can't missing Sinango Bala. Ne like her. Don't worry. Nka na-eme this weekend the mecha, you will like it. Next week you confirm to me. Iya asem na ezugo. Si brukwa another church JT na Nishida. How if you agwa. Ewatana. Churches has also created employment. Nnewi diocese for instance. Jena Holy Child Convent Amish. Jena Holy Child Convent Jena Holy Child Convent Wamishi, Carol's Convent Woolish, Bishop Uzodike Memorial Seminary Wulu Newi, then Dyson Hospital Akudo Wulu na Otolo. Then you talk about this technical university now, Bishop Ndubisi Obi Jekwa Mepe Saido Rifte. Go to all those now. Jena Donak filling stations, Donak establishment in Emepesele. You will see that all together, that outside Ndo Kochukwu Anakwugwo, that Nnewi Anglican Diocese of Nnewi, Nwelu, additional over 3,000 to 5,000 workers. Hana every month. Is that not development? That is development. Jena Catholic Diocese of Nnewi, Jena Cat Compress, Iluona Cat Compress. A malo the number of people na roll on that cat com. Jena Behanwe lab. Ilueba Ghana their schools. Ilueba Negari Chanya. You will come and tell me. Catholic Diocese of Nnewi. Well, over 5,000 workers hana akwụgwọ minus Ndokoshku. Ndokoshku, we should be looking at 20,000 or 30,000. The same thing with Nnewi, Anglican Diocese of Nnewi. Ndokoshku, we should be looking at over 30,000 etekili off the labor market. What I go? Etekili off the labor market. Odugo. Okay. Mapia nyoketa. We'll come back again. Update ka ya de nyu na iwatago. Onye ji ogwugwo nwulu udo. Ihe eti ya ita. Ihe mecha like ya.